Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm revamping everything on my YouTube channel, focusing on business skills, motivation, and best value for the dollar, period. I want to help the beginner in cooking and who wants to start a hobby, affiliate marketing, and digital systems as well. Because it's a really great way to learn new skills. And something I've done before. I went to Nate and did commercial cooking. I've been in the hobby since high school. I haven't done so much recently, but I want to get back at it. And affiliate marketing, I think, is a really good program. Also digital products as well. So I know all of these can be really great for you. I want to bring a lot of people together. Instead of having separate sites, I want to have one really great site where you can see all of me, all on one YouTube channel. I'm going to have different sections and updates. So I'm really looking forward to sharing with you and showing you some of my past and future projects. Have a wonderful day, and bye for now.